Baby, read the fine print I've got.
So I wanted to show you guys, this is my little vlogging setup. I guess I'm officially a vlogger now. And then I ended up getting this power bank as a gift. It's so cute because it's pink and it has sparkles. So that's really cute. And then I had this one as a gift, this as a gift, and then this is mine that I got. So I'm just really excited because I just want to continue vlogging for you guys. I've been having so much fun. So yeah. Off to Venice Beach. So I can't wait, but my style looks really cool.
Baggage and it's all Gucci, don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the
Hi everybody! Guess where I'm at on this new vlog? I'm at Venice Beach. I'm so excited. Just come and follow me around.
answer. One love like in the movies, wasting precious time assuming. Oh, oh.
Why do heels always follow me?
Were we made to fall? No. And slowly exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave it till empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tempt me. If I turn off, you know, I'll breathe in, embrace it on my own. Can't keep making exits from the pressure, lessons after lessons. Had to question these glaring design flaws.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room.
I'm having so much fun in Venice. I'm having such a great time here. It's so beautiful. I haven't been here in a few years. So I just looking at everything. I'm trying to vlog too, but I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm seeing everything and it's just so beautiful here. I love Venice.
Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend. Just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets. Under the sheets. Lost in the moment. In our own dream. In this lazy weekend. We're wild and
I got these cute rings. Yay! My new rings. So cute. So cute. Who am I?
kisses we're unable.
Be like extremely hot, but it wasn't, thank goodness. So yeah, a lot of bikers, a lot of rollerbladers, a lot of walkers.